In this video, I'll show you how to view the ship-to-home tracking information in hhschools. So if your customer calls and would like to have an update on their order, you can view that for yourself to communicate that to your customer. So this first image here, I'm going to right-click on it, go down to Order History for Subject Image. Now we need to log in so we can view this information, and again, you'll log in using your credentials that you use for hhcolorlab.com. Once you're logged in, you can see the order history for that particular image, and you can also see at the very right-hand side that there is a U.S. mail tracking number. That's the tracking number for the ship-to-home order. So go ahead and click on that. On this page, we can view the United States Postal Service tracking information for our order. It shows us that the latest update was it was delivered to the mailbox at 3:42 on March 22nd. So you can communicate that information to your customer. Next, let's look at the email that's sent to your customer so that they can actually track the order themselves. If your customer supplies you with their email address and you include that email address in the Ship To fields for the order, your customer will receive an email allowing them to track their actual order. Here's what that email looks like. They can click on the tracking number. The tracking information, as you can see, shows that the item was delivered in or at the mailbox at 3:42 on March 22nd, showing them all the tracking details. So you've got two ways to communicate the tracking information to your customers, either directly through hhschools if they call, or if you include the email in the Ship To fields, they'll receive an email so they can track the order themselves.